Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Guys, it's summer and I wanted to change a couple things in my apartment, and this is a video collab with YitaHome that sent me this beautiful console table. I love to change my home a lot. Right now I'm in the mood for a modern farmhouse look. And as you can see inside the box, guys, you will have everything you need to put everything together. And they have the screwdriver, they have the screws and everything. And the thing I like the most, and all the things are labeled, it's super easy to put it together. It has a manual instruction, as you can see guys, with the tools label, manual instruction, and all the pieces are labeled, make life super easy. As you can see guys, all the pieces are numbered. It's super easy to put together. Since it's summer vacation, all the boys are home. Today I'm not going to put it together. My baby boy gonna put it together for me. While my son was helping me putting my console table together, I went ahead to do some DIYs. I don't know about you guys, but I love making my DIY. It feels so good when somebody asks me, where do you get this from? I made it. It feels like I accomplished something super great. The plant and succulent from Hobby Lobby and the bowl from the tree store. It was 50% off and I like the shape. I might change it black, but as of for now I'll keep it this color. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so right now. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, je vous en prie. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je commence à décorer ma maison pour l'été. C'est pas encore fini. Restez branchés pour la prochaine épisode. Et à tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup pour votre support. Je vous aime. It's super hot in Florida right now, and I always take my boys to the beach. And while I was there, and I gathered some stuff just to make my DIY complete. I went to the beach the day before, and I love watching sunset on the beach. I don't know about you guys, but it's so beautiful. I love to get in touch with nature. Okay guys, let's start decorate and keep on watching. Guys, as you can see, I have a 70 inches TV. It will sit super comfortable on the top of this console table. But for my lifestyle, it's better for me to hang it on the wall. You can add family pictures on the top of it if you want, or in the open shelf, you can add more home decor, DVD player for some people that still use it, or stereo. Anything. The possibility is endless. You can do whatever you want with it. It's super nice, super modern, as you can see guys, and I really love the color. They have other colors you can choose for, but me, I like this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. Be sure to use the link so you can have some great saving. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moyen. Si la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo. Dans la vidéo, ça m'a montré nous qui j'aime changer look kay moi pour été. Si moun nou a besoin pile corps pour nous changer kay nou, so juste ti bagay nous virer tourner et puis boum et puis tout bagay getan like new. Et puis consulter bo ça c'est une publicité côté ou ka acheter bon fourniture à bas prix. Mes amis, il pas vendre cher du tout comparé avec côté ou pour l'acheter bagay pile l'argent. Fourniture ça vraiment meilleur marché si vous voulez changer carreau, vous voulez faire carreau vraiment moderne. So ta reme gen comme ça et plus, checkez votre description pour more information. Et si vous pas la première fois, moi dis merci en pile pour support. Moi reme en pile. Continuez à regarder les vidéos. This modern L-shaped bookcase from YitaHome also. Guys, I'm super proud of representing this company. They have super great products and affordable, guys, and they have everything you may think, everything home decor, from living room, patio, bathroom, lighting, everything you may need. Make sure to check them out, guys. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below. Posting the full video today, guys. Be sure to come back on Sunday to see the full tour of my small luxury apartment. Guys, like I always say, the size don't matter, but sometimes when you don't have the size, you have to use whatever you have. In my channel, you're going to see how to maximize a small space, make it super luxurious on a budget. For someone that live in a small apartment, everything that I have must have storage. And guys, as you can see, very huge. You can store anything inside. It's super beautiful, as you can see, guys. Guys, I'm quickly doing a deep clean, steam clean. I'm changing everything. So be sure to come back to see the final result. And that's the end of the video today. Thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!